Can you visit Elephant Island? If you have ever wondered about the possibility of visiting Elephant Island, you are not alone. This remote and icy island is part of the South Shetland Islands, located off the coast of Antarctica. Known for its rugged terrain and harsh climate, Elephant Island is one of the most challenging places on Earth to reach. Visiting this island is indeed possible, but it comes with many challenges. Elephant Island is uninhabited and does not have any permanent facilities for tourists. Most visits are organized through Antarctic expedition cruises, which typically take place during the brief summer months. This is when sea ice is at its minimum, and weather conditions are less severe. Many visitors to Elephant Island are history buffs and adventurers who are interested in polar exploration. The island is famous for being the refuge of Sir Ernest Shackleton and his crew during the Endurance expedition in 1916. They camped at a location known as Point Wild after their ship was crushed by ice. While this site is a key point of interest, there are no physical remains of the camp left today. The area is exposed to the sea and surrounded by large glaciers, making it a stark and beautiful location. Landings on Elephant Island are rare and often depend on the weather and sea conditions. The island's steep and rocky terrain offers limited safe landing spots. While you might see wildlife such as elephant seals and seabirds, the environment is generally bleak and exposed. If you are considering a visit, there are practical matters to keep in mind. You will need specialized expedition vessels and an experienced crew to navigate the challenging waters. Additionally, proper permits are required, as Elephant Island falls under the Antarctic Treaty System. This treaty regulates human activity in the region to protect its environment and wildlife. While the Brazilian Antarctic program maintains research shelters on the island for scientific work, these are not open to tourists. Therefore, if you want to visit Elephant Island, you will likely need to join an organized polar expedition. In summary, while visiting Elephant Island is possible, access is limited and requires careful planning. The island's historical significance as a landmark of early 20th century polar exploration makes it a fascinating destination for those interested in the history of Antarctic exploration. However, its remote location and harsh environment mean that visits are infrequent and requiring thorough preparation.